In certain alchemical traditions, the black cat is regarded as a guardian of the philosopher's stone, a mythical substance symbolizing the culmination of the great work and the transmutation of base matter into gold, both literally and metaphorically. The cat's role as guardian underscores its association with secrecy and hidden knowledge. Elusive, watchful, and enigmatic, the black cat mirrors the nature of the philosopher's stone itself, a mystery revealed only to those who are prepared for the profound inner transformation it demands.